Okay, this will just be a quick walk around of the 68 truck and a cold start. Very, very, very clean truck. Wheel and tires are upgraded. It came with split rims on it, so change that out. Interior looks new. All the decals are in place. 22,800 actual miles on this truck, and I'll give it a start here. Runs really good. None of the frame's been painted, I just left it like it was. Bed's really, really clean. The tires are new. No rust anywhere on this truck. Ever. It's always been stored inside. Great, no leaks. It does have power brakes and power steering. And everything he took off the truck through the years he kept in a box. So the mirrors, carburetor, and that'll all go with it.